if you guys want to win this giveaway, as I'm giving away a second copy of One Piece Volume 61, The New World Starts. If you guys want to get this volume, as I'm doing a giveaway, there's a few steps. You have to first follow my Twitter and go to my Twitter, and you have to tweet me. They tweet me you want the volume, and I'm probably not gonna get that many people, but this is a 40 subscriber giveaway, so. And this giveaway will last 2 weeks. If anybody in the 2 weeks that is not my friend or anything like that tweets to me that they want the volume, I'm gonna pick you. I'm gonna tweet back to you, and you have to send me your shipping address, and I'll ship it to you. So that is the way you win. And thank you all for giving me the 40 subscribers. So yeah, I want to share my happiness. So yeah.
おい、泣くな。男だろ。
だってよ、シャンクス。腕が。
安いもんだ、腕の一本くらい。無事でよかった。